Ever wondered how smart cars are changing the way we drive? From life-saving safety features to game-changing conveniences, today we're diving into the modern car tech you don't want to live without. The idea of connected cars is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's our reality. We're living in a time where vehicles can communicate with each other, with their drivers, and even with the world around them. This evolution is reshaping driving safety, transforming car ownership convenience, and redefining how we experience our daily commutes. So what are the benefits of these intelligent vehicles, and why should you care? In this video, we'll explore the latest advancements in car tech, from life-saving safety systems to convenience features that'll make your daily driving experience more enjoyable. Plus, we'll take a sneak peek into the future of automotive technology, where innovations like autonomous driving and artificial intelligence are set to revolutionize how we get around. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the cutting-edge tech that's transforming the automotive industry and our driving experiences for good. Safety features that put your mind at ease. When it comes to smart car technology, one of the most critical areas of innovation is safety. In the past, cars were only as safe as the engineering behind them. But now, thanks to advanced technology, cars have become proactive partners in keeping us safe on the road. Today, it's not just about crash safety anymore. Modern vehicles use a variety of systems that prevent accidents before they even happen, making our journeys much safer. Let's take a deeper dive into some of these life-saving technologies that are revolutionizing how we drive. Autonomous emergency braking is one of the standout features in many modern vehicles. This system works by using radars, cameras, and sensors to continuously monitor the road ahead. If the system detects an obstacle, pedestrian, or a vehicle in your path, AEB can apply the brakes automatically to either prevent a collision or at least reduce its severity. This feature is especially useful in situations where the driver may not have enough time to react or is distracted. For instance, imagine driving through a busy intersection and suddenly a car in front of you brakes unexpectedly. With AEB, your vehicle would immediately detect the situation and apply the brakes, possibly preventing a crash altogether. In some cases, AEB can bring the car to a complete stop before impact occurs. This feature is available in many new cars, from budget-friendly models to high-end luxury vehicles, and is becoming a standard feature in a wide range of vehicles. It's a true game-changer in road safety, offering an additional layer of protection when your reflexes might not be quick enough. AEB isn't just an optional add-on, it's increasingly seen as a vital safety tool for preventing accidents and reducing the severity of collisions. In fact, studies show that AEB can reduce rear-end collisions by up to 50% in some situations. Now let's talk about lane departure warning systems. Lane-keeping technology has been around for a while, but it has evolved significantly. Early versions merely alerted you if you were drifting out of your lane, but today's systems, including lane keeping assist, have become much more advanced. They actively intervene and steer the car back into the lane if you're about to veer off course. If you've ever found yourself getting sleepy on the road or distracted by something in the car, you'll appreciate how this feature can prevent accidents caused by unintentional lane drifting. Imagine you're on a highway driving late at night and you start to nod off. Without even realizing it, you begin to drift into the next lane. The lane-keeping assist system detects the movement and gently steers your car back to the center of the lane, helping you stay on course without the need for any intervention on your part. This is particularly valuable on long road trips where driver fatigue can often lead to dangerous mistakes. One of the more sophisticated systems goes a step further and can even correct the steering if the vehicle crosses a lane without signaling, which can be a life-saving feature, especially in adverse weather conditions or while driving at high speeds. Another essential safety technology is adaptive cruise control. Traditional cruise control allows drivers to set a fixed speed, but adaptive cruise control takes it one step further by automatically adjusting your vehicle's speed to maintain a safe following distance from the car in front of you. This is especially useful during long drives on highways or in stop-and-go traffic. Whether you're cruising at high speeds or slowly navigating traffic, adaptive cruise control will constantly adjust your car's speed based on the traffic around you, preventing the need for constant acceleration and braking. On highways, this system reduces the stress of constantly adjusting your speed. In city traffic, it makes the stop-and-go experience much more comfortable by maintaining a safe distance between vehicles. With adaptive cruise control, you can enjoy a more relaxed drive. knowing your car is working to keep you at a safe distance from other cars, making it an essential part of modern road safety. But safety tech doesn't just protect us from collisions, it helps us prevent them from happening in the first place. Blind spot detection is a great example of a system designed to make lane changes safer. Using sensors and cameras, this system monitors your blind spots and alerts you if there's a vehicle you can't see in those areas. This feature is incredibly useful, especially when you're driving on busy highways or urban roads where cars are moving in and out of your peripheral vision. When you go to change lanes, your car will alert you if there's another vehicle in your blind spot, helping to avoid potentially dangerous situations. To bring this all to life, let's imagine a typical driving scenario. You're on a busy city street navigating through traffic. Your blind spot detection alerts you that a car is coming up from behind in your right lane, just as you prepare to make a lane change. Thanks to this technology, you're notified in time to stay in your lane, preventing a potential collision. Meanwhile, lane keeping assist ensures that you don't drift out of your lane, keeping you safely on track as you maneuver through the traffic. Real-world scenarios like these show just how important ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems are in improving road safety and reducing human error, which is a leading cause of accidents worldwide. These systems are no longer just nice-to-haves, they're becoming essential features in modern vehicles. As these technologies continue to evolve, we'll see even more advanced systems working together to make driving safer and more intuitive. In the near future, features like automatic emergency steering, traffic jam assist, and collision avoidance systems will be commonplace in many vehicles, further lowering the risk of accidents and making driving safer for everyone on the road. As more vehicles adopt these features, we can expect to see a significant decrease in accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. These technologies are no longer just add-ons, they're becoming essential tools that can save lives and keep us safer on the road. These safety features are transforming the way we drive. Have you experienced any of these technologies in your own vehicle? Let us know in the comments below which safety feature you can't imagine driving without. Convenience at your fingertips. Now let's shift gears and talk about convenience, because driving is no longer just about getting to your destination, it's about how you get there. With modern advancements in car tech, the driving experience has evolved into something far more enjoyable and effortless. Today, cars come equipped with a variety of smart features that make every aspect of driving easier, more comfortable, and much less stressful. One of the most transformative aspects of modern car technology is the integration of smartphone apps with your vehicle, making everything from climate control to navigation as simple as tapping a button on your phone. One of the most beloved features among drivers today is remote start. Imagine it's a cold winter morning and you're still snuggled up in the warmth of your home. With your car's remote start function, you can start your vehicle from inside your house or even from the comfort of your own bed. Your car can begin to warm up before you even step outside, letting the cabin reach a comfortable temperature and defrosting your windshield so you don't have to deal with the hassle of scraping ice off in the freezing cold. It's a small luxury, but it's a game changer for those chilly mornings. Remote start isn't just about comfort, it also helps protect your vehicle in extreme weather conditions, as your engine can warm up, reducing wear and tear during frigid mornings or sweltering heat. Mobile app integration takes convenience to the next level. You're no longer limited to just starting your car remotely. With modern apps, you can manage nearly every aspect of your vehicle from the palm of your hand. For example, you can remotely control the climate inside your car, whether you're adjusting the heat in the winter or cooling down the cabin on a hot summer day before you even get in. You can check your fuel levels and even track your car's health with diagnostics. If something's wrong, your app will notify you of any issues, letting you know when it's time for maintenance. Imagine being able to monitor the condition of your car while you're at work or while you're out shopping, so you can address problems before they turn into costly repairs. Another fantastic example of modern car convenience is the navigation system, which now goes far beyond just telling you how to get from point A to point B. Real-time traffic data is a game changer for drivers. Advanced systems can dynamically reroute you based on accidents, road closures, or traffic jams, saving you valuable time and reducing the stress of being stuck in heavy traffic. Some cars can even suggest the fastest or most fuel-efficient routes depending on current conditions, helping you get to your destination quicker and more economically. You'll no longer have to second guess whether you're taking the best route. You'll know for sure, and it's all done for you automatically. And don't forget about the integration with voice assistants, so you can get turn-by-turn directions with just your voice, keeping your eyes on the road. Smart parking assistance is another feature that's quickly becoming a favorite among urban drivers. Finding parking in crowded cities is one of the most frustrating aspects of driving, but with the help of parking sensors and smart parking apps, that frustration is a thing of the past. These apps can show you available parking spaces in real time, guiding you directly to the nearest open spot. Some cars even go a step further with self-parking technology. Imagine driving into a parking garage with tight spaces and your car automatically parks itself without you having to maneuver or squeeze into a tiny spot. This feature removes the anxiety of parking in cramped spaces, making it incredibly convenient for city dwellers. And let's not overlook fuel management. It's another way that smart cars are helping drivers manage their vehicle more efficiently. Modern vehicles equipped with smart technology can track your fuel consumption habits and help you optimize your driving style to improve fuel efficiency. Not only will your car alert you when it's time to fill up, but it can also suggest the cheapest fuel stations nearby based on real-time price data. Gone are the days of guessing where the nearest gas station is or whether you're getting a good deal on fuel. If you ever find yourself in need of roadside assistance, your smart car has you covered there as well. If your car breaks down, runs out of gas, or you find yourself in an emergency, the GPS and connected services in your car can automatically notify roadside assistance or a tow service of your exact location. There's no need to scramble and explain where you are over the phone. Your car will do all the work for you, giving you peace of mind during stressful situations. These features don't just make driving more convenient, they also make it safer, easier, and less stressful. Whether it's starting your car from your phone, parking effortlessly, managing fuel efficiency, or accessing roadside assistance, the convenience of modern car tech is hard to beat. With each new development, these systems are making the driving experience more seamless and user-friendly, allowing you to enjoy your time on the road without the usual headaches. The future of car convenience is bright, and it's already here. Want to make your driving experience even easier? Take advantage of these convenience features and let us know which one you're most excited to try. Drop a comment below and tell us how smart car tech has improved your daily routine. The future of car tech. What's on the horizon? As incredible as today's car technologies are, the future of car tech is even more exciting. Over the next decade, we're on the brink of witnessing revolutionary changes that'll fundamentally reshape how we think about cars, transportation, and even urban living. The technologies emerging today aren't just small upgrades, they're game changers that promise to make the way we drive and interact with our vehicles feel completely different from what we know now. One of the most anticipated developments in the future of car tech is the arrival of fully autonomous driving. While self-driving cars are still in the experimental and testing stages, the technology is advancing rapidly. These vehicles use a combination of cameras, sensors, LiDAR, and artificial intelligence, or AI, to navigate the world without human intervention. The ultimate vision is a car that requires no human input at all, no steering wheel, no pedals, just a vehicle that can safely and efficiently drive you to your destination while you relax, read, or even sleep. Fully autonomous vehicles will not only transform the driving experience, but they'll also have the potential to revolutionize safety. Currently, human error is the leading cause of road accidents, but with the precision of AI, sensors, and real-time data processing, self-driving cars will eliminate mistakes caused by fatigue, distractions, or impaired driving. Additionally, these cars are designed to safely navigate complex environments like crowded urban streets or construction zones, making them ideal for busy city commutes as well as long highway drives. In addition to improving safety, autonomous cars have the potential to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. AI systems in these cars will allow vehicles to communicate with each other, adjusting their speeds and routes based on real-time data, preventing bottlenecks and improving overall road efficiency. For people who are unable to drive due to age, disability, or other reasons, autonomous cars offer a new level of mobility, giving them the freedom to travel independently. Another exciting future technology that's already beginning to emerge is biometrics in vehicles. Imagine approaching your car and it immediately recognizes you based on your facial features, fingerprints, or even retina patterns. Once the system identifies you, it'll automatically adjust the car's settings to your personalized preferences, whether it's the seat position, mirror angles, climate control, or even your favorite playlist. Biometrics could also play a crucial role in vehicle security. The car will ensure that only authorized users can access or start the vehicle, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to break in or steal the car. This level of personalization and security will create a seamless and more intuitive driving experience. But the future doesn't stop there. 5G connectivity will play a pivotal role in the next generation of smart cars. With 5G, vehicles will be able to communicate with each other and with their surroundings in real time, creating a network where cars can talk to one another and share data. The vehicle-to-vehicle or V2V and vehicle-to-infrastructure or V2I communication will help reduce accidents by anticipating and reacting to traffic conditions, obstacles and hazards before they become dangers. For example, cars could inform each other of approaching intersections or sudden stops, enabling them to slow down or adjust their routes ahead of time. This level of real-time coordination between vehicles and infrastructure will significantly improve road safety and reduce congestion. On top of that, we're also likely to see the integration of AI-driven customization in the near future. Imagine a car that learns your driving habits over time and adjusts its settings based on your preferences. AI will be able to track your usual routes, preferred driving speeds, and even when you tend to make pit stops. Over time, this AI could offer personalized suggestions for routes, fuel stops, or even warn you about maintenance needs before they become a problem. Think of it as having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself, making the driving experience smoother, more efficient, and safer. As cities continue to evolve, the concept of smart cities will begin to make driving even more efficient and convenient. In a smart city, everything is interconnected, and vehicles will play a major role. Cars will be able to automatically adjust to traffic lights, warn you of upcoming road hazards, or even communicate with smart infrastructure like streetlights, traffic signs, and road sensors to optimize your driving experience. For example, if traffic is heavy in one area, your car might automatically reroute you to a less congested route. These technologies will create a network of connected vehicles and infrastructure that works together to create seamless travel and improve urban mobility. The integration of all these innovations will make driving smarter, safer, and more personalized than ever before. Whether it's the autonomous capabilities of self-driving cars, the AI-driven adjustments that make your car feel more like an extension of yourself, or the real-time communication enabled by 5G, the future of car tech is sure to revolutionize how we travel, making it safer, more enjoyable, and more efficient for everyone on the road. As we've explored today, the world of modern car technology is truly fascinating. From life-saving safety features to cutting-edge conveniences, the car of today is transforming the way we drive, making our journeys safer, more enjoyable, and more connected. And with the future of autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and biometrics on the horizon, it's clear that car technology is only going to get smarter and more integrated into our daily lives. So if you're ready to embrace the future of driving, make sure to stay updated on these developments. From now on, driving won't just be about getting from one place to another, it'll be about enjoying the experience, staying safe, and making your life easier in ways you never thought possible. The future of car tech is here, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the latest car tech innovations. What do you think is the most exciting feature coming to vehicles in the next few years? Let's talk about it.